When you start billing in Easy Steps, there's a few things that you need to do first. I want to show you how to do that and then just kind of walk you through how to do billing. So from your home screen, the first thing that you really need to do is go to your profile, just double check all of your information, and then scroll down at the bottom. You'll see that you should have a billing rate per hour, and it may already be preset to 100 per hour. That would break it down to 25 per unit for you. So put whatever you want to bill right here. I recommend leaving it at 100. It's pretty standard procedure to go ahead and bill for more than what they actually pay out. And just a quick example of how this really might benefit you is when I first started with Early Steps, the rates were actually a lot less than what they pay right now. And one day they made an announcement that they would retroactively increase the rates. So for those of us who had billed for more than what was actually paid, we actually got reimbursed for that. So that worked out really good. But it is standard procedure to bill for more than what you pay. So if you don't already do that, you may want to start doing that. And then from here, let's go to your billings reports dashboard and look at assign patients to a payor. And right here, this is something new that we've added. So if you set a patient up and you didn't assign them to Covances or Medicaid, this is just somewhere you can go real quick at a glance and assign them to Covances or Medicaid. So let's go ahead and select both of these patients as Medicaid patients, and then you can hit the magic wand, and now they are no longer in this list. We don't have anyone else to assign. Okay. The next thing you're really going to need to do is just to make sure that all of your patients are set up accurately for Medicaid billing. So click on a patient. Anything in green is actually in the billings tab of their chart. And so you're going to want to go through here and make sure that everything in green matches exactly as it looks on the Louisiana Medicaid website. So make sure your patients have Covances or Medicaid selected. We just did that a second ago. And then make sure their name is spelled right, their date of birth is correct. The format of the date of birth, we will actually make sure that that is formatted correctly for you. CPT code, ICD-10, Medicaid number. The street address is one thing that when you set a patient up initially, you're putting in their street address. That's where their therapy session is. But if for some reason, and sometimes this happens, their billing address is different in Medicaid. So for example, it may say care of in a parent's name. You can change this here. Whatever you put onto this Medicaid will not change their demographics. So it'll stay Rosemary Road right here, but whatever you put here, here will stay street, okay? So just make sure that all of your patients have their billing information filled out accurately in the site, and then you're ready for billing. So let's go back to the billing dashboard, and where you want to go now is Medicaid claims to process. And so you can see that we have a couple of claims to process, and on this page is where you can see at a quick glance where we don't have a Medicaid number, and possibly we need to go, you can add in the Medicaid number right here, but I'm wondering if maybe we don't have everything filled in for that particular patient. So let's go look at their billing. And yeah, we can see we don't have a Medicaid number here, so I'm just going to put some numbers in. Okay. And you can put a CPT code. You need to put the ICD-10, fill out the address. But for this video, I'm just going to show you now that filled in that Medicaid for you. And you can also on this page see at a quick glance the minutes that you're billing for, the number of units, and all you need to do now is select yes or no if you want to do billing. So if you want to bill, easy steps to bill it for you, you're going to select yes, And let's just say you've already sent in something by mail for this one, and you don't want us to bill it for you. So you would select no. Now go click the magic wand. Okay. And they will then be moved over into the claims that are already billed. So these have already been billed. And then the ones that have not, that you did not bill, those are going to be here. And that is it. That's really all you need to know for billing. As soon as you're done with billing, go sync. That way it will be sent straight to us. The way I usually do billing is at the end of each workday. You can even go look at your contact notes by date and see exactly what was done on each day and go through everything, make sure everything's how you want it. Do your billing at the end of every day and then sync, and that way you know all of your notes, all of your billing, everything is done daily, and that'll just kind of help everything move along smoothly and fast. So as always, if you have any questions or if you think of something that I didn't address in the video, let us know. Call us, text us, email us. We are here to help you.